Why alien life might be weirder than sci-fi. Have you ever looked up at the stars and wondered if we're alone in the universe? Science fiction gives us all kinds of wild visions. Little green men, humanoid aliens, or giant bug-like creatures from distant galaxies. But here's the twist. Real alien life, if it exists, might be stranger than anything we've ever imagined. Today, we're diving deep into the weird, wonderful possibilities that science is exploring right now. Let's start with the basics. Earth is our only known example of life. Everything from ants to elephants to humans evolved under very specific conditions: liquid water, a stable climate, and a breathable atmosphere. But when we look out into the cosmos, we see billions of planets, and many of them are nothing like Earth. They might be hotter than Venus, colder than Pluto, or have oceans made of methane instead of water. Could life exist there? And if it does, would it even make sense to us? Here's where things get interesting. Some scientists believe that alien life may not be carbon-based like life on Earth. Instead, it might be built from silicon or even entirely unknown chemistry. On Earth, carbon is king because it's incredibly versatile. But on planets with different temperatures and pressures, other elements might take the lead. Imagine a creature that breathes hydrogen, swims in lava, or communicates through magnetic pulses. It sounds like science fiction, but it's grounded in real science. Now let's zoom in on extremophiles, tiny life forms here on Earth that live in the most inhospitable places you can imagine. Boiling hot springs, deep-sea hydrothermal vents, acidic lakes, and radioactive waste. These bizarre organisms show us that life can thrive in extreme environments. This opens the door to the possibility that alien life might survive in ways we can't yet understand, on worlds that seem completely uninhabitable by our standards. But wait, it gets even weirder. Some experts think alien life might not be physical in the way we expect. What if it's non-biological or post-biological, like artificial intelligence created by an ancient civilization that evolved past biology altogether? In this view, life in the universe could exist as conscious machines, data patterns, or energy-based life forms drifting through space. It challenges everything we know about what it means to be alive. Another fascinating idea is shadow biospheres, invisible ecosystems that could even exist on Earth, right under our noses. These would be forms of life that don't interact with us or our environment because they're based on completely different biochemistry. If we can miss alien life on our own planet, imagine how easy it would be to overlook it on a faraway world. And here's where science fiction really starts to fall short. Most alien portrayals in books and movies are human-like for a simple reason. They need to act in ways we can understand. But in reality, true alien life might be so foreign that we wouldn't even recognize it as life. It might not have cells, DNA, or even a body. It might not think, move, or behave in any way that makes sense to us. That brings us to a mind-blowing idea. What if we've already found alien life, but we didn't realize it? Take the mysterious signals we pick up from space, fast radio bursts, odd pulses from distant stars. Are they natural phenomena or something else? Most likely they're natural, but until we understand more, the door remains open. SETI, Search for Extraterrestrial Intelligence, is listening, and scientists are now developing tools to look for biosignatures, clues that life might be altering a planet's atmosphere in a detectable way. Let's not forget the possibility of life on planets or moons in our own solar system. Europa, a moon of Jupiter, has a subsurface ocean. So does Saturn's moon Enceladus, which shoots water vapor into space. Even Mars may have once been habitable. These are the first places we're likely to find something, and if we do, it could change everything. The more we learn, the more we realize how little we know. The universe is unimaginably vast, and Earth may be just one small corner of a much stranger story. The idea that life exists elsewhere isn't just a guess, it's becoming a scientific pursuit. So next time you look at the stars, remember, the truth might not be out there in a flying saucer. It might be something much, much stranger. Stay curious. Stay open-minded. Because when it comes to alien life, reality might be far weirder than science fiction. Like and subscribe.